Detroit, Michigan.
We're taking... Vinyl Frog wrap has arrived.
All right, well, there you have it, folks. You ready to clean this bad boy up?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah.
It'll front flip onto my head.
What's going on, guys?
What's going on,
Today
YouTube?
we're putting a clutch in. We got Grant coming in here.
Yes, sir, the one and only.
I'm holding her by the hips. I just can't get
By the
it in, that's
hips.
the problem. What do you want me to do?
Excuse me, sir. What's happening with you?
Oh, you know, just making some O2 extensions.
Motor City Matt in the house. Do you want to share what you've been working on?
Sure.
Give us the quick rundown.
We took a demon and made it faster.
How do you make a demon faster? What?
We remove a few things.
Can you lift this right now for us, or this is how you make it faster? But wait, there's more. Let's see what she's packing. Oh yeah, there we are, boys. Holy crap.
Whoa.
You're crazy. You are crazy.
Someone gives us a bad idea, let's run with it. And I was
Let's
like,
run
okay.
with it. Twin turbos underneath the demon on top of the supercharger.
Well, we ditched the supercharger.
Oh, you
Gotta
ditched
save
it?
Yeah, it's over there. It's gonna be
Got you. Oh, that's a fat
It's
supercharger.
gonna be a sweet, like, coffee table. You know, demon supercharger coffee
A
table.
demon supercharger coffee table. This is great. Oh, so you're about to put this thing on the dyno right over there, and you said an hour?
We think. We're just finishing the electrical.
Well, just don't bottom out.
We think we got that fixed. We're gonna tune the suspension.
That would be very expensive.
Sunday.
Okay, gotcha. Just realized he has a receiver hitch on the back. What the hell could he possibly be towing with a Dodge Demon? It probably could tow a lot though.
Anything.
Like honestly, with all that power, that thing could probably tow a yacht. Like, oh my gosh. This is the back section of the shop, as you guys may know. But we're working in the next shop over. What's going on with you? The man himself. So what are your thoughts? How's she looking?
Straight. I can't wait to see it.
And there's also a leak, Mr. Sir. Can you just stand right here for us?
Yeah,
I mean, a free shower is a free shower. Flex the nails real quick.
Oh.
Period. And they're your real nails too.
So Veronica's about to unwrap her car wrap color. Let me just rephrase that. Veronica's about to unwrap her car wrap and she's about to find out what color it is. Oh my gosh. That is so, oh my, let me pull this out. That is gorgeous. Oh, look at it in the light. We're matching.
We're gonna be twinning. So we did get two of the same colors. I'm gonna be wrapping one of my cars the same color that we're wrapping this car. Now, I'm not gonna tell you which car just yet.
Okay, we are getting started on the wrap. I only feel like wrapping one fender today just because it's been a long day and it's already like 5:30. So we're probably just gonna be wrapping this side. Oop, in my hand. Here is another close-up at the wrap. So beautiful. I will link it in the description if you guys are also looking for it. But yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so can you name off everything she forgot?
The alcohol,
She forgot the alcohol.
the sandpaper,
She forgot sandpaper. Scissors.
she got the squeegees.
She did bring the squeegees. So what did she wipe it down with? She didn't bring alcohol.
Water.
She used water,
She
okay.
used the water. Not what you're supposed to do.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be twinning! I'm so excited. This car is gonna look great, and so is the other car.
The other car.
The other car.
No, I put the other squeegee. I had two squeegees. Now I have one.
There you go. Down to one squeegee already. Oh, the tape measure. Didn't bring the tape
Oh, yeah,
measure.
that too.
Forgot she didn't bring her tripod.
It's right there.
Where?
All these.
Where?
These are the tripods.
These are your tripods. So, this is your tripod, Christina. A $70,000 Hellcat. Let the wrapping begin, ladies and gentlemen.
So pretty.
As I was explaining earlier, we do have another roll of this wrap for a different car. We also have the wheels for that car.
Yeah.
But what don't we have?
The car.
We still don't have the car yet. Yeah, some behind the scenes.
Dude, that's beautiful.
That is a really pretty color. She got the extension cord and she's dragging it through the leak. All right, so I just checked over there. They're still getting the Demon ready to put on the dyno, but I want to show you guys something. They are putting underglow on the Demon. What the heck? They said they're gonna have the underglow turned on while they're dynoing the Demon and also while they're driving it down the strip during Sick Week.
Okay, so I just finished the fender, and guys, look how good it looks. It really emphasizes the wide body on the C300, and I absolutely love this. I'm actually so impressed at how much it resembles paint. Like, look at the, let me see if I can get it to focus a little bit better, but it looks just, ooh, paint. I am actually so impressed, and it actually applied a lot easier than I thought. Yeah. There we go, guys. I thought it was gonna be a little harder to work with, but it's actually very easy and great quality.
Always on the grind. Crazy. Damn. She's up and running, boys. Woo. Boy.
Oh, Brandon.
Ed's over here worried about the underglow, man.
We gotta look good.
Oof.
Hi guys.
Pretty dark in here.
Yes, sir.
Can't forget an outro this time.
I know. Grant always supposed to be in check with that. That's why he needs to be recording with me, because I always forget.
Bro, well, you need better lighting too, so we're gonna use this. There we are.
Guys, es hora que de comer. Es hora de comer.
Es hora de comer.
At my favorite Mexican restaurant in Michigan.
We ended up leaving before they dynoed the Demon. So I'm going to insert a video of it here. Thank you so much for watching. A lot of content coming your way. Car is getting shipped out today, so it should be here in about 3-4 days. And yeah.
Shout out Ricardo.
Shout out Ricardo.
I can't say where yet.
Why?
Because, did you tell him the car?
Oh yeah, no, I didn't tell him the car.
There you go.
Shout out Ricardo. All right, guys. On that note,
have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we will see you in the next one.
peace out.